Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. Again, this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. So let's check the menu button, menu selection of this TID Radio TDG 500 or the TID Radio TDM15. So for the menu key, so let's press this green button. Okay, so what we have here is focus, so groups, contact list, setting, and about system. Just 4 selections for the menu. So groups, just one group yet, no members. So for the about system, so the user version, firmware version, okay, POC version, the ICC ID, IMEI, okay, the power on time record, so 3 minutes, and that's it. So let's try again. So okay, volume, DW3 VTL. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. Testing the TID Radio TDM15. So a loudspeaker, very loud and clear speaker of this product. So let's try to the highest volume. Testing 1 2 3 4. Testing 1 2 3. So the other one, let's try. Okay. Testing 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 testing. Testing 1 2. Okay, that's it for now. 73 and babuhay.